Okay, I haven't done a video before. This is my first video, but I was hoping to help somebody with the problem that I was having with my GMC Savanna 2500. And that kind of a problem is very common with GMC Savannas, Chevy Express, Chevy pickup S10. All of those vehicles usually have this high idle problem. Okay, if your vehicle is idling very high, very high, this is the problem, okay, that I found with my vehicle, and this is the solution. Okay, now watch. I had to remove the intake manifold to fix this problem. As you can see, this is the plenum chamber. Okay, so I had to remove the intake manifold to find the intake gaskets. That's the problem I was having. The intake manifold gaskets were both cracked and broken. Okay, as you can see, this is one of the old gaskets. See how it's broken over here? Okay, this is broken over here. Is the other one. Here's the other gasket, broken, and over here too. Okay, and here's the intake manifold. So I had to remove that. Now I'm not gonna show you how I remove the intake manifold, because there's a lot of videos on YouTube that'll show you how to remove the intake manifold. But let me show you how to check that problem. Okay, I had to start up my vehicle, let it run, and as I let it run, I removed the air cleaner. The air cleaner sits over here. Okay, you have to remove the air cleaner, and then while it's running, while the engine is running, okay, pull the oil cap, and you put your hand over here, it'll suck it in. Okay, if this tube is sucking the palm of your hand, that means you have an intake gasket that's broken somewhere inside the intake. Okay, and this tube also, all right, this tube that sits on the valve cover gasket, okay, you will feel, all right, a strong vacuum coming from this tube once you put your hand on it. If you have a strong vacuum here and here, you know that you have a bad intake, a cracked intake, or bad intake gaskets. Now you're gonna have to pull the intake manifold, change the gaskets, all the gaskets, and then that'll solve your problem.